Today, we're taking you inside one of the most advanced artificial grass factories in America to show exactly how synthetic turf is made from raw plastic materials.
What starts as tiny plastic pellets will soon become realistic artificial grass used in stadiums, luxury homes, playgrounds, and sports fields around the world.
The goal is to create grass that looks realistic, feels soft, and survives years of heavy use.
Every roll you see here goes through heat, pressure, extrusion, tufting, and precision engineering before leaving this factory. The first major step is transforming solid plastic into flexible synthetic grass blades.
Artificial grass begins with synthetic polymers. Production begins inside specialized manufacturing facilities. Polyethylene and polypropylene form the base material. Small pellets become realistic synthetic blades. Color gives synthetic turf a natural appearance. Raw material moves automatically.
Materials are mixed evenly.
The transformation begins with heat. Continuous fibers are produced. Synthetic grass fibers are formed. Cooling solidifies the plastic. Plastic becomes moldable. Stretching improves durability.
UV stabilizers protect turf from sunlight.
Moisture is removed. Additional fibers imitate dry grass. Backing secures the fibers. The fibers are locked into place. Heat cures the backing. The adhesive hardens permanently. Outdoor performance is tested. Cooling stabilizes the turf. Excess material is removed. Fibers are stitched into place. Precision controls density. Each blade is carefully placed. The turf begins to take shape. Adhesion improves durability. Structural strength increases. Durability standards are verified. Drainage capability is essential.
Precision ensures quality.
And this is where the process truly begins. facility operates almost non-stop to meet global demand for synthetic turf. The same turf used in professional sports starts right here.
Some turf is designed for sports.
The primary structure is complete.
The turf structure is assembled. The base supports the fibers.
Other turf is designed for landscaping.
Natural variation improves appearance.
The turf is prepared for shipment.
Protection prevents damage.
Finished products await distribution.
Warehouse logistics begin.
The product leaves the factory.
Installation begins. Strong seams prevent separation. Precision fitting improves appearance.
Proper foundations are essential.
The synthetic lawn takes shape. Drainage layers are added. Sections are bonded seamlessly. The turf gains a natural look.
Synthetic turf replaces natural lawns.
Artificial turf is widely used in sports. Shock absorption is improved.
The product adapts to many environments.
Artificial turf is used in residential spaces.
From plastic pellets to realistic synthetic turf.
Subscribe for more hidden factory processes and industrial transformations.